Hello, welcome to the Marc Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about why PHP is terrible. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So why PHP usage has declined by 40% in just over 2 years. So PHP popularity has dropped dramatically, coinciding with WordPress becoming JavaScript first, according to its co-creator, Matt M. So for the month of April this year, TIOBE's programming language index ranked PHP 17th, quote unquote, its lowest position ever. It's not just TIOBE that shows PHP declining in popularity. In the annual Stack Overflow developer survey, PHP has fallen from 30.7% in 2018, and this is i.e. the percentage of respondents that use PHP, to 18.58% in 2023. The JetBrains developer ecosystem survey shows a similar drop-off, when 30% in 2017 to 18% in 2023. So this is particularly notable since JetBrains, along with WordPress, which is the custodian company, automatic, right? Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. So it's automatic, meaning it is among the biggest sponsors of PHP. So WordPress is now JavaScript first. Arguably the biggest reason for PHP's decline is that WordPress, by far the web's most popular content management system, is moving away from PHP and into JavaScript. Matt, the co-creator of WordPress and CEO of Automatic, said, as much at, this at the WordCamp Asia 2024, which was held last month in Taiwan. We have a statement and it reads, "I believe the majority of new code in WordPress is JavaScript now and has been for some time," he said, in response to an audience question. So in many ways, you could argue by what the majority of activity is happening that Gutenberg has made us sort of a JavaScript first project. And yes, you have read that correctly. Matt Mullenweg said that WordPress is now a JavaScript first project. Gutenberg, the company's controversial new blog-based user interface, is the main reason for that. He admitted, though, that the shift from PHP to JavaScript was not easy. It was not easy. I had to cry up. That is not to say that WordPress isn't still heavily reliant on PHP. I would know since I'm typing this post in, the WordPress, that's what the person said, ending in admin post, PHP, but it's clearly no longer the future of WordPress. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe. See you on the next video.